How you doing, guys? This is Happy Wheels Cars and Stuff, and today I am going over the ST Suspensions XTA Coilovers. So I know I haven't been on YouTube in a little bit. I've been busy with the Navy and school, so there's that. But I have not been stopping on my car or my truck. There's a lot more stuff coming, so stand by for that. So the reason why I'm buying these coilovers, if you follow me on Facebook, or I'm sorry, Instagram, which if you don't, it'll be at the end of this video. You can follow me there if you want to. I bought some new tires for autocrossing. They are 235s by 45s R17s. They are RE71s from Bridgestones, and they are pretty much the max on a Fiesta ST that you can run. I found that out. I have them on 17 by 8 wheels, coning hypergrams, and I took out my fender liners, rolled my fenders too, and at last week's Autocross in Sebring I found out that they rub a lot more than I thought they were going to. They bent my fender a little bit. I popped it back into place. It's not terrible, so I'll tell you that, but I am not going to run these until I get that figured out. So that's the reason I bought these. Anyways, so let's get to it. These are the ST Suspension XTA Coilovers. That's the top of the box. So I already opened these up earlier, just get a quick look at them. I kind of went over for the damping, how many clicks there are, etc. So on top of the box, find this cardboard, toss that aside. This piece of was like styrofoam padding, and on top of that you will find a packet. This packet contains 2 stickers and the instruction or installation operations manual sort of thing. The majority of that manual, as a matter of fact, is in German. So there are English translations, however, there is the majority German in that. You'll find your 2 springs for your rear. You also have, I'm sorry, that's on the bottom. On the top, again, you have a spanner wrench, okay? So that's for making your height adjustments on your rear springs and your front coilovers. You'll also get this adjustment knob for the rebound damping. This does not do compression damping. The XTAs only do rebound, camber, and height. Okay, so in case you're wondering, no compression. Anyways, they give you this little knob that's supposed to be able to adjust your rebound. However, I found that this does not work well, if at all. I ended up taking a Allen key from my tool set and using that instead, and this works perfectly. Contrary to some people's belief, you do not need this for the clicking. The clicking is actually already in play in the system. So I'll get to that in a minute. Anyways, so take out the springs, and then you get to your coilovers. So you have your coilovers, all right. So you have one for the passenger side, one for the driver's side. Duh. Pretty sure this is for, I want to say the passenger side. It doesn't matter. We'll get to it later in the installation video, which I will post in the end of this video as well. Anyways, so you have the coilover. Right here, you have the height adjustment. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the spanner wrench, and you're going to put it on there. Keep it a little bit snug. And the way you're going to raise it is you're going to raise it by turning it right, and you're going to lower it by turning it left. All right, so if it goes down, you're lowering it. If it goes up, you're heightening it. On the top, you have your camber adjustment, okay? So in the manual and on the website, everything, I don't think anybody has really given a approximate like maximum camber angle that you can get on these. But I'll bring it over. As you can see, hopefully, you have these tack marks. 0 to looks like whatever that 5th tack mark, and then the 6th tack mark. This right here is for negative, this side. This right here is for positive, so you can do both. And then if you could see this little indent right here in the nut, that's where you're going to be putting the Allen key, okay, to be able to make the adjustments left and right. You will feel the click, and if you put your ear close to it, you will hear a click. That's how you do your damper adjustments. For this camber adjustment, however, you're going to have to loosen these 4 bolts right here with star Allen key, I believe. So you're going to loosen those, and you'll be able to adjust it back, forward, if you want positive or negative. As I said, I don't know the degrees. All I do know is that the max tick mark for the negative is 1/2 inch from the 0. So to me, in my head, it seems like it would be a pretty decent amount of camber that you could get out of these. But anyways, so I found out from my little research that I did before making this video was that from left to right for these clicks, from left to right is a max of 20 clicks. So that means you have, right now I have them set at 10. Okay. On the rears, which I'm about to pull out right now, you have a max of 19 from left to right. Okay, it's the same way. The top of the mount, just turn it left and right. Here are the clicks. Obviously, this has no way of adjusting the height. That's on the rear springs, which I'll get to in a minute. For these, you're gonna have to take off the stock or the top mounts that are on your rear shocks right now and just put them onto here. Fairly easy. And obviously, you don't need a spring compressor or anything for that. So for the springs, the rear springs, the way you're going to do it is you got these adjustable top mounts for the springs themselves. And what you're going to do is you're just going to plop them on like that. Whenever you want to adjust them, you take your spanner wrench, and this is going to be pressed up against the vehicle, obviously, so it will be able to turn, and it'll have a little bit of tension on it, so you can actually turn this left and right for raising and lowering the rear of the car. Pretty easy. Other than that, there is not much. But hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Feel free to like and subscribe. Like I said, there's more stuff coming up. I'm about done with school, at least this semester, and Navy's kind of being a little bit relaxed right now. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to do all that. I will have an installation video for these in my Fiesta here soon. And anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.
Thanks everybody for watching. You can check out one of my other videos here on the left, or the installation when I upload it on the right. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content coming soon.